It's important to understand first aid. Accidents can happen anytime and anywhere, so it's important to be aware of the various first aid techniques so that you can be of immediate assistance and even save a life in some situations. Often the first few minutes of an emergency are crucial, and if first aid assistance is provided immediately, it can help stabilize the injured individual and assist in their recovery. First aid training can help you learn the necessary skills that are useful in emergencies. As most tend to happen at home or in the workplace, you may be able to be of assistance to your loved ones and colleagues immediately. First aid is the assistance given to any person suffering a sudden illness or injury, with care provided to preserve life, prevent the condition from worsening, and promote recovery. It includes initial intervention in a serious condition prior to professional medical help being available, such as performing CPR whilst awaiting an ambulance, as well as the complete treatment of minor conditions, such as applying a plaster to a cut. First aid is generally performed by everyday people, with many people trained in providing basic levels of first aid, and others willing to do so from acquired knowledge. Mental health first aid is an extension of the concept of first aid to cover mental health. There are many situations which may require first aid, and many countries have legislation, regulation, or guidance which specifies a minimum level of first aid provision in certain circumstances. This can include specific training or equipment to be available in the workplace, such as an automated external defibrillator, the provision of specialist first aid cover at public gatherings, or mandatory first aid training within schools. First aid, however, does not necessarily require any particular equipment or prior knowledge, and can involve improvisation with materials available at the time, often by untrained persons.